this video, I'll show you how to enable DNSSEC on Cloudflare. DNSSEC adds an extra layer of security to your domain by ensuring your DNS records are authentic and tamper-proof. Start by logging into your Cloudflare dashboard and selecting the domain you want to secure. Go to the DNS tab and scroll down to the DNSSEC section. Click Enable DNSSEC. Cloudflare will automatically generate a DS record for your domain, including the key tag, algorithm, digest type, and digest. Next, copy these values and log into your domain registrar's control panel. Paste the DS record there to let your registrar know about the DNSSEC setup. Once published, Cloudflare will detect the new DS record and the status should update to active within 10 minutes to 2 hours, depending on the registrar. And that's it. Your domain is now DNSSEC enabled, adding strong protection against DNS-based attacks. For extra verification, you can use tools like DNS VNut to confirm everything is set up correctly. Thanks for watching.